Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change role colors on your accessibility settings on your accounts on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and now here you'll find accessibility. Click on it, and here as you see you will find here role colors, and here as you see you can change your role colors. As you see you can select any option here. And that's it. That's how to change your color settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.